Let's talk about cell structure. Kids have a lot more fun and they retain information much better when you give them a project that keeps their interest. In this particular case, we're using a variety of circle makers, like toilet paper rolls, the inside of a roll of tape, some stencils, and some circle makers, along with a marker and some sponge daubers to create this fun cellular structure piece of art. Such a simple project for kids, and it helps them retain and understand all of the things that go into a cell. I'm using markers for the cell wall, a little bit of acrylic paint, and stencils to create the cytoplasm and the mitochondrion. And then we have the nucleus. So you can take any or all of these tools to create this fun piece of art. So I'm using 2 colors of paint and a sponge dauber to create some mitochondrion. Just press down and twist. Down and twist. You can use stencils to create them in other cells, and then fill in that cytoplasm just using a little acrylic paint. Children will understand cell structure much better when they have an opportunity to create a project that is fun and interesting for them. This is how you bring a little art into your science.